Okay, so on Bellringer 74, it says convert each equation into slope-intercept form. Remember to work with any equation, always find your equal sign, dot it. We're not trying to solve this equation, we're just trying to rewrite it or convert it into y equals slope, y-intercept. So for this to be in slope y-intercept, does the x belong on the left side, everybody?
No.
No, the x belongs on which side? The right. So I need to get rid of it here by doing the opposite. So I'm gonna use negative 2x, negative 2x. Circle my like terms and combine. And when I combine 2x with negative 2x, I get 0. So I'm gonna bring down my 6y. This is positive, so make sure you have positive. Are these like terms?
No.
What do I do with them when they're not like terms?
Place them beside each other.
Place them beside each other. So I'm gonna put my negative 2x. This is a positive 36. So I'm gonna put positive 36. Was the 2x, did we get rid of it on the left side and move it to the right side?
Mm-hmm.
Notice that when we move it to the other side, is it the opposite of what it started out as? Now, does the y belong on the left side?
Yes.
Yes. Does the 6 belong with it?
No.
So we need to leave the y here, but rip the 6 off of it by doing what? Divide everything by the 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1y, so I'm literally writing down 1y. Negative 2 divided by 6 is a decimal, so I'm going to just write down negative 2, 6, x. If you're solving this to solve it algebraically, you can change that to a decimal, but since it never terminates, since it goes on forever and ever and ever, I would leave it as a fraction. Positive 36 divided by 6 is positive 6. Now I would simplify this fraction. So I would rewrite this as negative 1/3 x plus 6. Just simplify that fraction. So if you're having to graph it, you can have smaller numbers. Okay, problem B, we're going to find the equal sign and dot it. What are we wanting to do with problem E or problem B?
Make it slope intercept form.
What are we supposed to be doing with it, everybody? Convert it to slope intercept form. Does the x belong on the left side?
No.
No, so we get rid of it by doing the opposite. Circle my like terms and combine them. Bring down my positive 5y. These are not like terms because this one doesn't have a variable and this one does, so I'm going to write them side by side. What am I going to write in front of my 15?
Positive.
Come on, guys. I heard one person.
Positive.
Positive. Because this is a positive, so I'm going to put a plus sign there for that positive 15. Does the y belong on the left side?
Yeah.
Does the 5?
No.
So you're going to rip it off by dividing everything by 5. 5 divided by 5 is literally 1y. Oh. There's not a number on my numerator. So what do I use, Eli? 1, absolutely. So negative 1 divided by 5 is a decimal. So I'm going to just write negative 1 over 5 with the x. Positive 15 divided by 5 is positive 3. And since that fraction won't simplify, I'm good to go. Problem C, find the equal sign and dot it. to, what are we gonna do to this?
Get rid of it.
No, what are we gonna do to this equation?
Make it slope, convert it.
Write it into slope-intercept form or convert to y equals slope-intercept. Does the x belong on the left side?
No.
No, so we're gonna get rid of it by doing the opposite. Circle my like terms. These are not like terms, so I'm gonna just write them side by side. Okay, guys, if you add 0 to anything, is it gonna change it?
No.
So do you actually have to write the 0 here?
No.
The only reason why there's a 0 here is to have something on the right side. Otherwise, it would just be blank and then that would throw everything weird. If you want to bring in a +0, that's fine. You're still going to leave the y here and rip the 5 off of the y by dividing everything by y.
The 5.
5, thank you. This is a decimal, so I'm gonna leave it as -4/5 x. Remember, if you wanna change that to a decimal, just take the top number, divide by the bottom. +0 divided by 5 is 0. And again, you don't have to write that. Any questions on that? I think that's